Dear students, I am Dr. Parimala Gandhi, Professor in Chemistry, Nehru Institute of Technology, Coimbatore. For the first semester, Engineering Chemistry is one of the subject having 5 units. The first unit is Water and its treatment. In this session, we are going to see about the introduction, types of water, harness of water, expression and units of harness. Let us see the introduction. Water is the most important component for all the living organisms. About 80% of earth crust surrounded by water. The main sources of water are rainwater, surface water, underground water, sea water. Among the 4 sources, the rainwater is the purest form and it's very difficult to collect. Whereas in the sea water is an impure form and cannot be used for day-to-day life. The in between the surface water and the underground water only we are using, but it contains some unwanted impurities and suspended particle, so that we have to remove the unwanted components and the suspended particles. Then it fit for domestic or industrial purpose. It is called water technology or water treatment. Before treating the water, we should know the nature as well as the amount of impurities. Now let us see the types of water. There are 2 different types of water we are using for day-to-day life. One is hot water, another one is soft water. What's mean of hot water? The water which does not produce lather with soap solution, but it produces scum or precipitate is called as hot water. This is due to the presence of dissolved calcium and magnesium salts. For example, the sodium soap is a water soluble. It reacts with the harness producing ion calcium to form calcium soap. It easily insoluble in water. The next one, soft water. Water which produce lather with soap solution is called soft water. This is due to the absence of calcium and magnesium salts. The next one, harness of water. Harness of water is the properties of water which does not produce lather with soap solution. It can be detected in 2 ways. The first method, the harness of water is treated with soap solution. It produces scum. For the second method, the water containing harness, it gives wine red color with aerochrome black tea indicator to maintain the pH range 9 to 10. The next heading, types of harness. Depending upon the types of dissolved salts present in water, harness of water can be classified into 2 types, temporary harness, permanent harness. Let us see the first one, temporary harness. This is due to the presence of bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. It can be removed by 2 methods, boiling the water by adding the lime. For the boiling the water, the calcium bicarbonate is heated. It's converted into calcium carbonate by adding the lime to the water to form calcium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide. For both the process, the bicarbonate is converted into insoluble carbonate and hydroxide. It can be removed by filtering method. The next heading, permanent harness. This is due to the presence of chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. It cannot be removed by boiling the water, but it can be removed by lime soda process and zeolite process. The lime soda is nothing but sodium carbonate. It reacts with the harness producing salts like calcium chloride to form sodium chloride. In the zeolite process, The harness producing salts like calcium sulfate react with sodium zeolite to form calcium zeolite and sodium sulfate. The next reading, expression of harness in terms of equivalent of calcium carbonate. The concentration of harness producing salts can be expressed in terms of equivalent amount of calcium carbonate. It's chosen as a standard one because it's a molecular weight 100 and equivalent weight 50 is a whole number. So the calculation is very easily. It's the most insoluble salt that can be precipitated in water treatment. If the concentration of the harness producing salt is x gram per liter, it written as the amount equivalent to calcium carbonate equal to x into 100 divided by molecular weight of harness producing salts, or otherwise is written as amount of harness producing salt into equivalent weight of calcium carbonate divided by equivalent weight of harness producing salt. Here the 100 is equivalent weight of calcium carbonate and the x is amount of harness producing salt. What are the units of harness? The harness can be measured by parts per million, milligram per liter, Clark's degree and French degree. This is the reference. The next goes to objective type question based on this lecture. The first question is, both temporary and permanent harness of water can be removed by distillation process. When temporary hot water is boiled, one of the substances formed is carbon dioxide. The purest form of naturally occurring water is rainwater. Fourth one, permanent harness of water may be removed by the addition of soda ash. Thank you, student.